Biggest thing is with any main break and any main break season, it's like an adventure. You're always waiting for that next call to jump and go see what's going on and figure out what it takes to fix
It depends on what time of day it is. If it's in the middle of the night, usually I think the worst. I've had a couple of real bad ones where you don't know what you're going to run into.
We usually typically try to demo where we think the main break is. It's kind of hard when a street lifts up. You can't tell exactly where the break is, so sometimes it's guessing, but usually if you kind of demo around where you think the break is, you'll see water bubbling up through a certain area.
Just to see the damage that water can do. You never really think that it's going to be that damaging. I mean, you get drips and everything, and you can get leaks in the house, and it looks bad, but you've never seen the catastrophic damage that water can do. And it can be a small amount, like a 6-inch main. They just tear up streets, they flood basements. It's always interesting.
So there was a massive main break on 82nd and Foster, and it was late at night, and two fellas had come out to bring me some coffee, and I don't even drink coffee. I was just trying to be polite, and one of the guys said, "This is Cowboy coffee," and I don't know what that is. So I try to gulp it down so I can get back to my work, and I got a mouthful of coffee grinds. So apparently that's what Cowboy coffee is.
Don't drive on the top of any main brake, because with any main brake, don't drive on the top of that, because any vehicle can sink in. I don't know if anybody know about that, but that can happen. And just you gotta be careful, Make sure it's not car around the main brake. Make sure nobody walking on the top of the main brake, and it's very difficult sometimes.
Being part of the team, just being part of the team, getting out there and getting dirty and wet, and being able to respond in emergencies for the community here that we serve.